What up, world? We got some Canadian geese doing goose stuff in the ocean. Looks like there might be some baby geese too, or ducks. I don't know if it's like little geeselings or little goosers, or if it's geese and ducks. I think it's geese and ducks. That's what's going on. We'll see how close we can get up to them. These rocks are kind of slippery. See how gooey they are? Ugh, gooey rocks. Yeah. Ah! I almost fell. Not a chance. They're coming up on the geese. What up, geese? They come in peace. Geese. Yeah, I'm pretty sure those other guys are ducks. Oh, cool. Okay, there's the geese. Either those are goose babies or ducks. They might be goose babies. I don't know. Kinda hard to tell. Anyways, have a great day, everyone.